Welcome to Beautyistic, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews of the products that shape your beauty routine. Have you ever felt like your dental hygiene routine could use a little extra convenience and effectiveness? Well, today we're taking a closer look at the Practicon SmileGoods 3-in-1 Flossers, an all-in-one tool that promises to make flossing, cleaning between teeth, and maintaining fresh breath a breeze. And if you're looking for a product that's not just practical, but also comes with the convenience of individual wrapping, this could be exactly what you need. Before we dive into the review, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Beautyistic. The Practicon SmileGoods 3-in-1 Flossers are a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their dental hygiene. This handy tool combines 3 essential dental tools into one sleek, lavender-colored flosser. It features waxed, mint-flavored floss, a detachable interdental brush, and a bendable interdental pick, all individually wrapped for hygiene and ease of use. Plus, with 500 flossers in each bulk pack, this product offers exceptional value for anyone looking to keep their teeth in tip-top shape. I've been using these flossers for a little over a week now, and I have to say, the convenience factor is a game changer. They're so easy to incorporate into your routine. You can throw them in your purse, car, or desk drawer, making it easy to floss on the go. I personally like the mint-flavored wax floss, which is not too strong but leaves a fresh, clean feeling. It glides through your teeth effortlessly, even for those hard-to-reach spots at the back. The detachable interdental brush is a real standout here. It's the perfect size to fit between your teeth, and it's gentle, yet effective at removing food particles. I also love how the interdental pick bends, making it much easier to maneuver around tricky areas. Whether you're in the bathroom or on the move, these flossers provide a full mouth clean in just a few seconds. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, I'd love how all the tools are combined into one. There's no need to juggle multiple items, which makes flossing that much easier. The individually wrapped flossers are also a huge benefit, perfect for hygiene and portability. I also find the bendable pick particularly handy for reaching those tight spaces. However, I did find that the floss can be a little thinner than I would like for tougher dental work, especially if you have tight teeth. It's not a deal breaker, but I noticed it can fray a little quicker than some other floss brands I've tried. Additionally, if you're not used to the bendable pick, it can take a little getting used to. Sometimes it feels a bit too flimsy in the hand. But overall, it's a small learning curve for the convenience this tool offers. So, is it worth the price? Given that you're getting 500 flossers for a bulk price, it's definitely great value. The price is justified when you consider the all-in-one nature of this product, and it's much more affordable than buying separate floss, picks, and brushes. It's perfect for those who want to streamline their oral care without sacrificing effectiveness. In comparison to other similar products, the Practicon SmileGoods 3-in-1 Flossers stand out for their combination of features. Many flossers only include one tool, but here you get 3: floss, an interdental brush, and a pick, all in one compact, disposable package. If you're someone who doesn't want to carry around multiple products, this is a huge win. As for build quality, the lavender handles are sturdy enough, though I would have liked a bit more rigidity in the pick. That said, these flossers are designed for single use, so they don't need to be durable for long-term use, and at the price point, they hold up pretty well. I also appreciate how easily they break down when you're finished, which is perfect for on-the-go use. Midway through, if you're finding this review helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so other beauty and dental lovers can find us too. Your support helps us bring you these honest reviews. And if you're ready to try these flossers for yourself, I've got a link for you in the comments. As for customer support, I haven't had any direct experience with the brand, but Practicon is known for providing reliable customer service. If you do encounter any issues, they're typically responsive to inquiries and are easy to reach. Regarding alternatives, if you find these flossers a little too pricey or you want to explore other options, you might want to try something like the Dentec Comfort Clean Floss Picks, which offer a similar all-in-one flossing experience. While they don't have the interdental brush, They do include a wider pick that some may prefer. So what's the final verdict? These SmileGoods 3-in-1 flossers are an innovative and practical solution for anyone who values convenience and effectiveness in their dental hygiene routine. They're not perfect, especially if you have particularly tight teeth, but for the price and versatility, they're definitely worth considering. I'd recommend them to busy individuals who want a quick, easy, and portable flossing solution. Thank you for watching. If you've already tried the Practicon SmileGoods 3-in-1 flossers, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Don't forget, the link to purchase is in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.